Hello everybody. So I've been getting quite a few questions regarding Ovelay Experts alerts. So let's go ahead and cover that today. So we are on the Ovelay.expert website. This way we can do the editing in the proper form. As always, double check that you are signed into your account that you want to use. And also this is your best friend here, the save button. Autosave does not always save everything on time in case something happens. So if you've made any major changes, hit that autosave button to make sure it's saved, or come over here to File and hit Save over here as well. So to add a new alert in, we're going to go right here to add a new layer. For the background image, we are going to choose a new follower. And of course, we're going to resize this so that it works and looks good. So there we go. We have the alert. It's going to pop up right there. Now to come down, you have a size and position, which is going to change the size and position of this. You also have alerts here. So we're going to go to event-based alert. And here we're going to say Twitch follow. So this is going to do a Twitch follow alert anytime somebody follows you. So there you go. There's that. And that will pop up on there. Down here, you can change how it's going to come in, and obviously you don't see nothing right now, but right here, you can see the preview of the animation that is going to be coming in. So here we chose perspective. You can obviously change that to slide right and space out. So it's going to slide in and then just kind of space out. Now, if this is going too fast for you, you can obviously move it up. And remember about the autosave. I've made a few changes. I don't want to lose this in case my internet goes out or something else happens. So we're going to hit that. We're going to save it ourselves, not trusting autosave. And now this is going to come in, and you can see it stays a little longer now because we moved it to 8,000 milliseconds. There's also a slow mode that you can do as well. I haven't used this really often, but it is there as well. This will prevent it from showing too often, so you'd probably want it to be more than 15 seconds, obviously. Now for content, you're going to come in here, and it is text freeform, but down here, you're going to come over here, go to edit, you're going to delete new content type, and you're going to do follow display name, and hit OK. Now right here is where you're going to be able to control who is being listed here. Now obviously it says Ovelay Expert because this is a simulated event. So let's say for the top we go down by 10. That's obviously not enough. You will have to play with this and figure out which one's going to look right for your particular overlay, and it should be just fine once you get it there. It's going to take a little bit of finagling to get it just to where you want it. Let's say right there. Okay, and then we'll go a little bit more over for me. Okay, so let's say that's where I want it to be at. Obviously, we don't want the text to be this color right here. So we're going to come up here and change the color of the font to, let's say, something like this, because we are PristineFrog. We're going to want it to be a green color and very noticeable. So now we have that there, and you can see now that whenever somebody does a Twitch follower, and remember the autosave, don't forget that. Now there used to be a you can see the stream preview here, what it's going to look like as it's over your stuff. So any previous videos you've had and that you've streamed, you can see it on here, although it does downgrade the quality quite a bit. As you can see, but now you can see what it looks like when it's overlaying. Obviously all of this brick stuff will be gone, and you can do this to do, there you go. Now you can see what it's going to look like for your channel. Now obviously we also have this animation up here that I forgot about. But you get the idea now. This is how you can do it. This stream preview comes in really good handy if you're trying to see how it works with everything else. And remember, this is only visible on a browser. It will not be shown on an app. And there is now a web page that you can send your people to. And it is this, overlay.expert/w/ whatever your gamer tag is for your stream. And even mobile viewers can easily watch your stream with the overlays as presented through Ovelay Expert. I hope this has helped you guys out some, and if it has, please consider dropping a subscription to the channel and a like for the video, and any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.